Hello students, welcome to Maths online classes for standard 7th. Today's topic is operations on rational numbers. In this video, we will learn what is BODMAS and will solve practice set 25. So, let's begin.
We have to learn this rule. B stands for operations in the bracket, then O stands for of multiplication. That I will tell you what is this of multiplication. Then division we know, multiplication we know, addition we know, and subtraction we know. Sometimes in the given sum, here I will put bracket. If I have taken these two numbers in bracket, now here how many operations are there out of this? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Bracket is there and multiplication is there. We have to follow sequence. We have to follow first bracket. We have to do whatever things are there in the bracket, that operation we have to do. Then of multiplication, it means one fraction is there, 1 upon 5 of 100. So how we solve this? We write 1 upon 5 multiply by 100. If like this sums will come in the bracket, then after bracket we have to solve this type of operations, that is of multiplication. Understand now what is of multiplication. Then third thing is division. So I am writing here symbol of division. Here I will write symbol of bracket. These brackets, different brackets are there. Now after division we have to do multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. Did you understand this? BODMAS, operations in the bracket, then of multiplication, or another name is there for of multiplication, order. Now what is the order? We know that indices 2 raised to 3, it means cube of 2, or square root 16. So these are called orders. So of multiplication or these orders, these things will come at second place. So you understood the sequence. This is the first thing we have to do. This is the second thing we will do. Third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Understand? Write it down. Start writing. Practice set 25. First sum, 50 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Solution. Write down this 50 multiply 5 divided by 2. I will write 5 upon 2 plus 24. See here, we know of multiplication. It means first we have to solve 1 upon 5 multiply by 100. It means 50 multiply by 5 upon 2. These we have to solve. 50 we can divide it by 2. If I will take here 50, I will take here 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Take here 0 down. 2 5s are 10. Quotient has come 25. So 25 multiply by 5 plus 24. Now here we have multiplication and here we have addition. What thing you will do first? Multiplication. Underline these two numbers, put equal sign here equal sign. We know that 25 5s are 125. Then take here plus sign and 24. Now last thing is we have to add these numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. 149 is our required answer. Number 2, open the bracket. In bracket 13 multiply by 4 divided by 2 minus 26. Write down solution. First thing is bracket is given. In bracket multiplication is there. Now outside the bracket division sign is there. It means division operation, and subtraction is there. So by the BODMAS rule, first we will do operations in the bracket. Okay, then after that we have to do division. Whatever answer will come, that we will divide it by 2, and lastly we will subtract the whatever calculation numbers will come by 26. 13 multiplied by 4, answer comes 52. Now division sign, write down 2, then minus 26, put equal sign here, equal sign. We have to divide this 52 by 2. Quotient has 26, so 26 is the quotient or answer of these operation. Minus sign as it is, and then 26 as it is. 26 minus 26, sir, 0. Now we'll write third sum. Number 3, 140 divided by, in this sum two types of brackets are there. This bracket is called square bracket and this bracket is simple bracket. Minus 11 multiply negative 3 minus negative 42 divided by 14 minus 1, bracket close. Now, as I said, first you have to decide in your mind what things you will do first, what will be your second step, what will be your third step. First step is a big square bracket is there, so you have to concentrate on this bracket and at last you will divide it. Whatever answer will come, this you will divide to 140 by that answer. In this bracket again many operations are there. This simple bracket contains negative sign, this bracket also contains negative sign. It means in these brackets there is no any operation, but only to show that numbers are integers are negative, therefore these brackets are used. This is negative number, this is negative number, and 42 is also a negative integer. Now here multiplication sign is there, and here subtraction is there, here division is there, and here again subtraction is there. What things can we do? First we will divide this, because in board mass we have to do division come first and then we will multiply it here, and then next operations we will do. So at a time we can multiply as well as we can divide. So take here down, write down solution and take the numbers down. 140 as it is, division sign also we will give as it is. 140 divided by, we will open the bracket, negative multiply by negative, answer comes positive. 11 3s are 33, so here 33 answer is coming. Minus sign we will give as it is, and now we have to divide negative 42 by here 14. This negative sign we will give later. Here 42 and here 14. 14 3s are 42. Remainder is 0. Mute your call. And here quotient is 3, but here negative sign is there, therefore in bracket we have to give negative 3. This answer is over. Lastly minus 1. What is the next thing? 140 will take as it is down again, divided by, here minus sign is there and here again negative 3. Negative into negative it becomes positive. So 33 plus 3 minus 1. Now which operation we have to do first? Okay, we will add these numbers. We will write 140 again as it is. 33 plus 3 is 36. We have not taken this 140 into consideration because we have to do the calculation at last with this 140. Understand? Now write down here minus 1. 36 minus 1 we get 35. Now we have to divide 140 by 5. Sorry, 35. If I will write it in this form, okay, so both numbers are divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10, and 5 8s are 40. 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. Therefore, final answer is 4. Or you can take these numbers here in the division form, and in that way also you can solve by writing the table of 35. Understand? Write down this sum. If you have written, then we will start fourth sum. Shall I change the page? Okay, write down fourth sum. In fourth sum, we have one different bracket. This bracket is called curly bracket. What it is called? Curly bracket. Some of you having might be having curly hairs. Yes or no? So that curly. In the simple bracket, 220 minus 140, this bracket close, plus in square bracket 10 into 9, plus again in simple bracket negative 2 into 5, simple bracket close, square bracket is closed, curly bracket is also closed, minus 100. Write down solution. If we see, here is simple bracket, so this bracket we can solve. Then we will write plus sign, and this bracket we can solve. After that, this multiplication we will do, then we will add the answers, and whatever things we can do, that we will do further. So first thing is we will subtract these. Take this curly bracket as it is, and 220 minus 140. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now here 12 minus 4 is 8. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. Here it is coming 80, plus we will multiply these two numbers, and we will multiply these two numbers. 10 nines are 90, 5 twos are 10, but here negative sign is there. Positive into negative, it becomes negative. Therefore, negative 10 will be the multiplication of these two numbers, and then we will close this. Lastly, minus 100 is there, so we will write here 100. We will add these numbers. 80 plus 90 is 170, then minus 10, and here minus 100. As per the rule, we have to solve this bracket first. So 170 minus 10, answer is 160, then minus 100 we will take, and at last 160 minus 100 we get 60. So 60 is our required answer. Draw a box for your answer. Last sum, write down 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8 divided by 6 by 4. Write down solution. We have learned division of these rational numbers means we have to use two steps, two rules. In first step, we have to convert this division sign into multiplication sign, and we have to take reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of this fraction. So these things we have to do first, as division comes first, and then we will think about this 3 by 5. So till we will write down 3 by 5 as it is, put equal sign, 3 by 5 plus 3 by 8, give here multiplication sign and take the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 6 by 4 is 4 by 6. Now we have to reduce these fractions into its simplest form. As in the table of 3, 6 is there. It means 6 is divisible by 3 and 8 is divisible by 4. So we will do here division, and we will write down this fraction as it is 3 by 5 plus 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, and here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now here 1 is left up, and here 2 and here 2 is left. So 2 2s are 4. Here 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 upon 4 is the multiplication of these fractions. We need equal denominators to add these two fractions. What we will do, we will multiply this fraction with denominator of this fraction, second fraction, and we'll multiply this fraction with denominator of this fraction. So take here 3 by 5 down, multiply numerator as well as denominator with 4. 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. This will be your point number 1. Then take here 1 upon 4 down and multiply this numerator as well as this denominator with 5. So I'm taking here 5, here also 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. This will be your second fraction. Now we can add these two fractions as denominator is equal. So 12 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20 equals 12 plus 5 upon 20 equals 17 upon 20. This is our required answer. Draw a box around it.
That's all for this video. If you are visiting our channel first time, please subscribe to our channel as it's totally free, and press bell icon. Like and share this video. And finally, thanks for watching and supporting. God bless you all.